Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Wipro candidate and recently received a mail about VLSI survey, and you're from a non-VLSI background like CSE, IT, mechanical, or civil, this video will clear all your doubts. I'll explain the purpose of the mail, how the survey form works, and whether it affects your hiring status at Wipro. When you click on the link in the email, you'll be redirected to the Superset platform to fill out a quick survey. Here's what the form asks. Are you VLSI certified? Options: yes or no. If you select no, a simple submit button will appear and you're done. If you select yes, more fields will appear. Start date and end date of your VLSI training. Select your skill set in VLSI. Only one option can be selected. Name of the training institute where you completed your VLSI certification. This form helps Wipro shortlist candidates for a specific VLSI-based project. What if you're from a non-VLSI background? What if you're from CSE, IT, mechanical, civil, or any non-VLSI branch? Or maybe you don't have any VLSI certification or experience. The answer is no problem at all. This survey is only for a specific VLSI project. If you don't have a VLSI certification, just select no honestly in the form. It won't affect your Wipro onboarding or overall hiring process. You'll simply not be considered for this particular project, and that's perfectly okay. Wipro has multiple domains like software development, testing, full stack, and more. You'll be aligned based on your actual skills. So don't worry if you're from Java, Python, web development, or any non-VLSI field. Wipro recruits for many roles, and this survey is just for a hardware VLSI project during the pre-skilling training phase. Just fill it truthfully, click submit, and wait for updates. Even if you're not selected for VLSI, Wipro will align you to a project that fits your background. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Drop any questions in the comments. I'll reply to everyone.